Life is a classroom. You're the only one there. The only person you should study in that classroom is you. Focus on yourself. Do not be deceived by your emotions or any other thing that will not put you in the position you need to be. Time is irreversible. Each tick of the clock makes you older. When are you going to buckle up your ass and stand for yourself? Make decision for yourself. Time is not waiting for you. Each day is an opportunity to be better. Feeding your depression, feeding your anger will not make the best of your time. All you need to do is find solution. All you need to do is make the best of your time. Because when time is gone, it's gone forever. Stop feeding your depression. Stop feeding your anger. Make the best out of your time. Find a way. Manipulate. Think about it. Figure it out. Do not allow anything to steal the most valuable asset from you. Utilize it to your best interest. In life, you can recover your damn money. You can recover your damn properties. But when time is gone, it's gone forever. Do not allow anything to steal away from you the chance to explore, to utilize what you have. This is priceless. This is so priceless. This is me at 23. If there's anything that cannot be recovered in life, it's time. You can recover your damn money. You can recover your properties, but you can't recover time. This is me at 23, and I'm doing the best I can do with my fucking life. Money cannot buy this shit for me. It's hard, and a lot of people ain't doing it. Some people might even fucking think I'm crazy, but this kind of craziness is a damn blessing. I'm so grateful to God for this fucking opportunity to be out here to feel and taste what I'm capable of doing with my fucking damn life. The key is you, and the padlock is you. But the most amazing thing is, what you want to be is already inside of you. You only have to force it out of you.